Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax forms. First, gather all necessary documents. This includes income statements like your Form W-2 from employers and various Form 1099s for other income sources. Don't forget to collect records for potential deductions and credits, such as mortgage interest statements or receipts for charitable donations. Having everything organized upfront simplifies the entire filing process significantly. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to file your taxes. You can opt for electronic filing using tax software, which is often the quickest and most accurate method. Alternatively, you can print and mail paper forms if you prefer a traditional approach. For those with more intricate financial situations, consulting a qualified tax professional can provide valuable expertise and ensure compliance. Each method has its advantages, so pick what works best for you. Understanding the core tax forms is crucial for accurate filing. Form 1040 is the foundational document for individual federal income tax returns, where you report your income, deductions, and calculate your tax liability. You'll also encounter Form 1099 for income from sources other than employment, such as interest or freelance earnings. And of course, Form W-2 details your wages and the taxes your employer already withheld throughout the year. Finally, before submitting, meticulously review your entire tax return for any errors or omissions. Accuracy is paramount to avoid issues with the tax authorities. Once you're confident everything is correct, submit your return by the designated deadline to prevent any late filing penalties. Remember to check the description below for a link to a great book about managing your money, as well as other helpful deals and resources. Filing your taxes correctly ensures peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.